I'm Chantal Belafonte reporting in your neighborhood of Waco, and it's in the 70s here at Waco ISD Stadium, but we are expecting a big drop in the coming days with the potential of a winter storm heading to central Texas. And I talked to a few locals who are stocking up in preparation for the potential of ice, sleet, and rain.
Get a smaller can. Let's see. You see a smaller tomato sauce.
For Leslie, Kenshin soup is on the menu during this weekend's winter storm. Kenshin tells me her plans are to stay in the house and stay warm as she and thousands of Central Texans prepare for what could be a major winter storm.
We've been coming here forever.
Okay.
It's one of our favorite stores. So, okay. I've got my list, and I got to remember my dogs.
Steve Fiedler is joining Kenshin and the rest of us in getting ready.
So our outdoor faucets that come up above the ground needed some extra insulation, and the stuff that I had at the time was breaking down, so I'm just going to replace it all.
Donald Lemons may not make soup, but he says he just started food shopping for this weekend.
Well, so far,
What's in your basket?
so far, I just got to the meats. So,
Okay.
so far, it's just the meats, potatoes, sausage, pork chops, stuff like that, and some fruit, of course.
After visiting a few grocery stores, I headed over to Academy to find out what local neighbors are stocking up on.
Your route may be affected by winter storm watch. Route takes major roads.
I talked to the team lead about what's going fast.
Well, this was where we had our portable propane bottles. Today we sold out.
But it doesn't stop there.
Honestly, cold weather gear, camp stoves, portable heaters. So we've been selling a lot of that stuff today. I'm assuming for the rest of the week until the weather comes, we're gonna sell a lot of it. So.
The winter storm is set to arrive on Friday and stick around through Sunday. Stay with 25 News as we'll have all the updates for you on air and online pertaining to weather and more. I'm Chantal Belafonte reporting in your neighborhood of Waco.